Extreme parabolic. Kung sa MA may tinatawag tayo na paradox, sa RSI may tinatawag naman tayong extreme parabolic. It is a condition when the RSI is on the extremes for both daily and weekly. Remember when we discuss RSI and trend combo? When we say the extremes, ibig sabihin it's either the RSI is above the 70 level or below the 30 level. When the RSI is on the extreme parabolic, meaning may strong momentum on the direction of the price. Same with a paradox. Extreme parabolic is much more sustainable condition than the normal extreme RSI, since we have both daily and weekly time frame in the same condition.